with you, I am alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're all doing well. If you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button, and let's get straight into the video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and trying on some colored contact lenses. So I received my little parcel from TTDEYE, also known as the Third Eye, and it's got two little contact lenses inside, so I'm really excited to try it. So I'm not really a colored contact sort of person, but I did try my fair share when I was younger. I tried green, purple, yellow, pink, orange, blue, any color, you name it. I've pretty much tried all of them, and some of them look really nice and natural, and some of them don't. So I've chosen two pretty natural colors, if I remember correctly, and it did take a while to come just because of coronavirus and all that shipping. So I'm really excited to try these. They're finally here. They are supposed to be natural looking ones. I think that's what I ordered. But we're going to see what it looks like in sunlight, out of sunlight, and on my natural dark brown eyes. So it comes in this little box, and it has instructions at the back. So if it is your first time using contact lenses, this is super helpful. Reading the instructions says, because these contacts are brand new, you do need to soak them in solution for 8 hours before use. So we are going to do that, but I'm just gonna unbox it first and we'll try them in 8 hours. It opens up like this, and in it is the contact lenses. So there's two of them. And they give you the two contact cases as well, with the tweezers in case you need accessories to put them into. So there's two of that. Oh, I even got a little toy. That's cute. What's this? Okay, so this is a little hand mirror in case you need it. I thought it was like a little CD thing, but I just realized it's too small. But it does look like a little CD case. It's a mirror. Cute. Some stickers and a little card and envelope in case you're sending it as a gift or something. Really cute little package. So the two colors I ordered is Queen Brown, and this one is Polar Lights Brown. I guess I didn't order any colors, so I told you guys that I like things natural. So we're gonna try these brown ones on and see if it looks natural, if there is any difference at all on my pupils. Let's open the Queen Brown first. So these packages are holographic. If you can't see, it's reflecting everywhere. But good news is that it does look completely sealed. So you always need to check your contact lenses whether they're sealed or not. Okay, so here is one of them. Here's the other. So they do come in two little separate packages. And this is the color of the Queen Brown. So first glance, these colors look really light. Kind of looks like a honey sort of color, and it's got little dots on them for the patterns. The total diameter of these ones is 14 millimeters. On the little packages, it'll tell you the manufacture date, the date of expiry, how big it is, how many degrees it is. So my one is manufactured 2019. and it expires July 2024, so it's quite a few years to go. I'm going to be opening one of these cute little cases. So let's go to the bathroom. I'm going to put some solution into this and we're going to soak it. Okay, so I've changed my mind. I'm just going to do it in the room. I've washed my hands. I've cleaned this up. Just going to pour some solution in. cover it so it doesn't get dusty. And let's do this. Use the little tweezers. Alright, so the next one is called Polar Lights Brown. We're going to do the exact same thing, open it and soak it. These are 14 millimeters as well, expires 2024. So both of them last another 4 years if unopened. These ones actually look really, really light as well. It's got little dots on them, but the other one, the Queen Browns, was light, but it was kind of yellow mustardy-ish. This one is kind of like a beige color. Open the packet. I love how these come with its own cases. If you do purchase contacts, at least you know that you've got somewhere to store them. You don't have to run to the shops and buy a separate case. We will be back tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm back. So we're gonna try them on today. Let's try the Queen Brown ones first. So how I do it is I actually use my fingers, and I've just washed my hands, and basically I just put it in with my fingers, so don't freak out. Here it is. Put it in one eye and the other eye doesn't have it, so hopefully you guys can kind of see a difference. I'm just gonna put the other one in so we can have a look side by side. That was actually pretty hard to do without a mirror, but it's done. Let's have a look. So I've just turned my ring light on. Hopefully this is a better view. There's no light. So one side is in, one side's out. You can definitely see a difference. This eye has it and this eye doesn't. This is in no light. Just turn the light on. Next, we're going to be trying the Polar Lights Brown. Take these off. That's it. So the Polar Lights Brown was the one that looked a bit more beige sort of toned. I still really like this one as well. It looks so natural and light. And here it is without light. Here it is, the Polar Lights Brown. I love it. I think it looks so natural and it's so comfortable to wear as well. Like, it's not very irritating at all. So what usually puts me off from coloured contacts is that sometimes when you wear them and you go out and it's just like, whoa, it's so in your face, you know straight away that no one has bright blue, bright purple, bright pink eyes, and it just kind of looks really, really fake. But these ones, they have these little patterns which make it blend well into your pupil, so you can't really tell when you're looking at it separately when it's not on your eye, but once it's on your eye, it blends really well with the dark brown and I really love it. I think the colours are amazing, both of them. Now, if you are interested in contact lenses from the third eye, I do have a discount code and it's Jesscbee, so make sure you use that if you want a discount. Other than that, I think they look great. I can definitely see myself wearing it this weekend. Brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment section down below. You guys know the drill, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.